Look at Gilly's feet.
What was she doing with her feet?
Sticking them straight out when Martine was like, sit.
Bottom bar.
Don't holler, Jackie. Don't holler
Why?
at the people.
Bottom complaining against me. I will.
Well, if that's the case, then I should file a complaint against Judith for screaming at Martine yesterday. Oh dear. Go shoot. Good girlie.
Follow. Make her do it. Make her do it. Good girl. She's still okay. She realizes that.
She's still confused. Nice blind.
Probably not. I'm thinking not the way she left.
No, she does. Gilly, get up.
Nice.
Nice weave.
Oh.
She wasn't sure.
She came out.
She wasn't sure. Good job, babe.
You can't believe she got in. Gilly didn't.
I know, yeah. Gilly was like, I can't believe I did that.
Go.
Good girl. That was nice.
Baby.
My little tunnels. She's like, what side you on, mama?
Yeah.
Nice last jump. Nice job. Good job, kiddo.